Virgo Rippy over here at the truck show, Louisville. We're going to have a pool over at Freedom Hall Saturday. Semi-truck pool. That's what that one, I thought it was a land speed truck, but it's a pulling truck. I don't see anyone I know. Looking for like Richard Petty or someone, a celebrity. It's that plastic pellet hauler there. Dry bulk, Mack trailers. There's before I left this morning, I poured a gallon of paint thinner in my. So this one you walk up in there, and this little theater over here talks about. This is the media inside your catalytic converter, and on a Prius.
Removal requires the DPF to be removed for thorough cleaning, resulting in significant.
So to clean it while it's on.
So where does ash?
To clean this ash out, which comes from metals.
Combustible ash derives from metallic additives in your engine lubricant.
Okay, they're saying it's the ash out of the lubricant that's clogging the cat. It's blown by the rings. Which the Prius is supposed to be a loose engine. Mine's a 1.8. And the lacquer thinner, professional quality, it's $9 a gallon, but since gas is like $5 a gallon, I poured that gallon and the Prius only holds about 10 gallons, so, and drove it, it'll be 400 miles, and I'm hoping it'll clean. I don't have a problem. You can, well, this one's lit up, but I'm not having problems with the car. It'll throw a code for something or other if that sensor gets dirty. Some front end alignment or some tow trucks over here. But just for preventive, and then I run that Seafoam, which comes in a pint. Is Richard Petty over here?
This is incredible things for the industry. It's created incredible opportunities for a small carrier. One of the biggest things that I've always liked about the group is that it's a conglomeration of industry professionals that have the same view in mind, and kind of bouncing questions and ideas off each other, get advice from each other based upon
little seminar.
Help me develop our standards for our company. It's a great source for different materials. We've exchanged contacts with the group. We've exchanged different best practices through the group, market conditions. It really keeps everybody on top of where the market is today and the best ways to profit from the market. Absolutely.
See, that's what if Richard Petty was here. They'll keep the celebrities in that box, and then they'll bring them out up on the stage, and they have little places. They pick them up at the hotel and bring them over. So there's an old Emeryville. Check it out. We're here at the truck show looking at the antiques. So they put a stake bed on this one. That's the kind of trucks that people went out in and they didn't come home in. It was so dangerous. And they didn't have money for this stuff back in there. Everyone was poor, but and they still make them.
So much more money if you had your authority. So it was like, but this is before I did the Facebook thing. So I would start talking to one driver, and then I would have a few drivers, and then I would get there if I liked them, and
nice rollback. That's everything. Show trucks. People from Virginia. Not sure. He puts his toys up in that and pulls his other toy with this. calls it the Green Diamond. It's pretty extensive fabrication going on here. It's got these big heavy tires in the front and a drop axle like they're doing some heavy haul. You think he's got a V12 in this thing or something? I think he does. But anyway, yeah, these trucks that are in here are really special trucks. Yeah, they had the pretty girls in here last time they were selling insurance. There's a spokesmodel from Korea or something. And then Peterbilt back here, the parks, they had a supermodel. Some Chinese tires. Right. Okay. Little butterfly hood truck over here. Diamond Rio, you think? It says Peterbilt, must be a 50 Peterbilt. And anyway, made my way around here, I suppose. So here's the valley, guys. In California, the bumper people, and then we saw their trailer outside, and it was tagged in Oklahoma, but probably tax purposes and things. Well, yeah, they're still around. They got a nice display, don't they? So this wing goes this way, and that wing goes this way. This is kind of a middle wing. Be three different buildings connected. This is cool. This is the Mercer setup. So they're based from Louisville. Some people I know work for them. They've been around a long time. I was hoping I'll get to see their display. They got a heck of like a diner, isn't it? And you see people with one company for, you think forever, and 15 years later they're working for another company. You come here, they're in a different uniform for whatever reason. Those guys were talking foreign language, and it said they're from Chicago in the trucking business. Thanks for watching Burger Rippy, the truck show in Louisville.